Welcome to our channel. Pairing your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 with your smartphone is quick and easy. Follow these step-by-step instructions to connect your earbuds. Step 1. Ensure your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 are charged. Place them in the charging case and make sure the case has power. Step 2. Open the charging case lid while keeping the earbuds inside. The earbuds will automatically enter pairing mode. Step 3. On your smartphone, go to Settings and enable Bluetooth by toggling it on. Step 4. In the Bluetooth settings, look for available devices. You should see Galaxy Buds 3 appear in the list. Step 5. Tap on Galaxy Buds 3 to initiate the pairing process. Your phone will connect to the earbuds. Step 6. If prompted, confirm the pairing request by tapping Pair or OK. Step 7. Download the Galaxy Wearable app from your App Store for additional features and customization options. Step 8. Open the Galaxy Wearable app and complete the setup process to access advanced features like noise cancellation, equalizer settings, and touch control customization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.